Yo, what's going on today, everybody? What are y'all up to? I'm gonna tell you what I'm up to. Is I'm about to be bringing my vet back into the 21st century, because there's one thing that's been killing me. Y'all about to see. We about to take it all off. Let's not try to get hit. Not try to get hit. Sheesh. The beauty over here. Man, I'm so mad about this. I don't know why these are fading, but I'm just gonna keep marking them up because they don't. The guy who made them doesn't make them anymore for some reason. But today, what are we gonna get into? We're gonna get into taking all this side molding off. I don't know. For me, it just kills the car, makes it look old, and we need to take that off. My one fear though is once we take this off, is the whole side profile of the car is gonna be very bland. So I might just have to order my wide body right away. Like, I don't know how else to put it. I might just have to do it, have to send it. I've been wanting this wide body so bad, but I've been holding back. I also wanted the cam, but I don't know, guys. I do save a lot of money, but at the end of the day, it is just money, and maybe I shouldn't be so frugal and I should just spend it. So maybe that will be like my Christmas present to myself. And yeah, I think, to be honest with you guys, I think I'm just gonna send it and order them pretty soon here. So yeah, but let's get into it. Let's take this side molding off. So what do we got here? All I have is some fishing line, and I saw this nifty tool. I was looking up how people got it off, and I got this like this 3M adhesive remover. You just attach it to the drill, and yeah, I don't know. Hopefully it works. If it doesn't, I might cry. All right, so I'm not gonna lie, I was struggling a little bit. This, whatever fishing line this is super thin and super cheap. So I devised a new system. What I'm doing now is I've got this microfiber rag in here. I'm working it down, creating tension on the side molding, and it makes it a lot easier to cut through. So instead of taking a couple hours, this should take me about another 15 minutes. So thank God, because I was like, oh no, if I gotta do the whole car like this, I might cry. one side completely off already. And already, I'm starting to really like it. The only thing is, like I said, it makes the side profile of the car really bland. It does. This side molding can go back to the early 2000s. So this glue is really not that bad that's on here, to be honest. So I'm praying it comes off fairly easy. So, all right, well, I'm gonna do the other side off camera, and then we're gonna get all this adhesive crap off, and I might even wash my car, because I don't know if y'all could tell, but she's not happy. All right, so this side basically came off in 5 minutes. I just started kind of peeling it back slowly. It took most of the glue away too. I'm actually pretty impressed. So I guess now the only thing is left to do, I got my little drill set up here with the 3M remover. This side might be a pain, it might not. I'm gonna hit this side first as per the instructions, and then I guess I'll just wipe it down. Then I'm gonna clean the whole car because it's filthy. But yeah, I guess we'll see what happens. I don't know, I never used it. So as you guys can see, I did get most of it off, but I definitely need to use rubbing alcohol and get the rest of this crap off here, and then give this thing a wash. Yeah, it looks way better without that side molding. The only thing is, like I said, is it just looks very plain now, which I don't like. It really needs a wide body in the rear, and I think it needs to sit a little bit lower with some side skirts, and this thing will be looking crispy. Side profile is just, this car is very bland, and I don't know. I don't really like the side profile of this car, but you know, it is what it is. I think the car now is just, every day I try to keep looking at it, make it look better and better. I definitely need to get rid of this fishbowl because that's insane. I need to get it tinted like the back. All right, well, I sat here with a microfiber towel and rubbing alcohol. I did the best that I could do to get all the stuff off. Honestly, it looks pretty good. I'm really happy with the way this thing looks now. I was gonna wash it, but I'm running out of time. So, all in all, it definitely dropped some years off this car. I think if I would have done it again, I definitely would have got the automotive goof off and instead of the rubbing alcohol, and got it all off. But honestly, it is what it is. Car looks good. Definitely needs the wide body. I don't know whether to order it now or not. I would order it right now, to be honest, but I'm actually leaving the country in a week, and I'm gonna be spending all my money there, and I don't really want to spend any money right now. So, but as always, guys, thanks for tuning in. If you made it to this far in the video or any part of the video, I appreciate y'all. Till next one, peace. I'm out of here.